Hello, welcome to class again. We'll be using our demo account for this class. We'll later switch to another Instagram page account that is fully optimized for business. Remember, in our last class we used the Instagram Lite app to open our demo account. The Instagram Lite app is limited with some features. It doesn't have all the features of the normal Instagram app because it's a lighter version of it. So let's get to work. So today we'll be learning how to navigate the Instagram app by understanding each of the icons that we have down here. We will take them one after the other. First thing we need to understand is this space here. It's our content section. This is where you'll be making your posts. Okay, so let's get started. The first icon we have here, the first icon we have for which is this particular icon here, is the home page. When you click on it, it takes you to your home page where you see posts of those that you are following. So that's the home page. The next icon is this search icon. The search icon, it takes you to the explore page. We call it explore, right? It's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, so when you click on the search icon, it takes you to the explore page. This is the explore page where you can search for anything at all. Okay, so let's search for an account. You can see top, you can see accounts, tags, and places. So when you click on the search icon, it takes you to the explore page where you can search for anything at all. But when you click on the search space, which is here, let's go back again. Okay, so to search anything, you click on this search bar, the search space. When you click on it, it brings out your keyboard for you to type. But the first thing you see a number of things like top, you have accounts, you have tags, you have places. Okay, now the top means everything. Okay, so for example, if I type events, it brings out everything that is related to events, accounts, tags, and even location. So from here, let me show you. Okay, we can see this is an Instagram account, this is tag, then all these are Instagram accounts. So depending on what you're searching for, at times it also brings out locations, which is places. The top shows you everything that has to do with events, everything that has to do with events. Then when you click on accounts, it shows you all the accounts that are related to events. You can see that all we have here are strictly accounts, unlike the top where we also have tags like this. This is a tag. an hashtag. Okay, so for accounts, we can see everything showing under it has to do with events. Then if you select tags, it shows you hashtags that are related to events. All hashtags that are related to events is what you get to see. For places, I enter events, showing me different event centers. So for places, it will show me locations that are related to events, and here we have it showing us event centers. Okay, so that's how to search on the Instagram page. That's that on search icon. Let's move to the next icon. So the next icon here is showing the plus sign. If you click on this icon, clicking on it enables you to add your post. The reason it's showing this is because it's a new page and we've not had any post. So what I'll just do now is to click on the continue button. It says allow Instagram Lite to have access to access your photos, media and files on your device. So you click allow, and this is good for those that will just be opening the Instagram page for the first time, downloading the app for the first time. So when you click on that plus page, like I said, it enables you to make your post. So if I want to make a post now, okay, so let's say for example I'm selling travel. So setting your post, you click on next, and then you can add caption. You can add your caption to it. Let's say for a healthy lifestyle. Get your travel. So when you are done, you can click on save. Then you can click on share. That's how to make use of the plus icon. The next icon you can see here is the reel icon. It enables you to add reels. If you want to add reels, what we mean by reels? Reels are short videos. You select it. The reels button enables you to see the reels of other people's accounts that have been posted. Reels are short videos. With the plus button, you can add your reels, you can add your long videos. The long videos goes to IGTV, while your short videos are your reels. Then your pictures, your images, your graphic design, your post template. So it's the plus icon enables you to add all that to it. All right. So the next icon is your personal profile. When you click on it, it takes you to your profile page here, like we have here. Actually make a post, and our post is showing here. Our post is showing here. Here's our first post, and we can see it's showing one post up here. Like I told you, as you begin to make posts, it shows you the number of posts. When you have followers, it shows you the number of followers. When you start following people, it shows you the number of people that you are following. Alright, okay, that will be all for this class. Thank you. So in our next class, I will be using a full optimized Instagram account to show us some features. Like, this is a personal account, and I know you want to learn how to use the Instagram page for your business. So this is actually a personal account. So on the full optimized Instagram page, I will be showing you how to change your personal account to a business account. And if you get to open a new account and it's on the personal account, then you will know how to switch from personal to business to personal.
Thank you for watching.